Welcome back to PlatterPulse, where we turn everyday ingredients into delicious masterpieces. Today, we're going back to basics, the kind that never fails, with a homemade margherita pizza, fresh dough, rich tomato sauce, creamy mozzarella, and fragrant basil. Simple, authentic, and incredibly satisfying. Let's start with the heart of every good pizza. In a mixing bowl, combine 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Add 3/4 teaspoon of kosher salt for flavor. Now, slowly pour in 7 ounces of warm water, around 105 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Mix until a shaggy dough forms. Knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. You can do this by hand or with a stand mixer fitted with a dough hook. Once kneaded, place the dough into a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with plastic wrap or a damp towel, and let it rise at room temperature for 1 to 1.5 hours, or until doubled in size. While the dough is rising, let's make a quick and classic pizza sauce. In a small bowl, add 1 cup of crushed San Marzano tomatoes, or any good quality canned plum tomatoes. Add 2 to 3 grated garlic cloves, a teaspoon of olive oil, 2 to 3 pinches of kosher salt, and a dash of black pepper. Stir gently. That's it. No cooking needed. This raw sauce keeps the flavor fresh and bright. For toppings, less is more. You'll need about 7 ounces of fresh mozzarella, not packed in water, cut into 1/2-inch cubes. If it's a bit wet, pat it dry. You'll also need 5 to 6 fresh basil leaves, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of finely grated Parmigiano. Preheat your oven to its highest setting, USUALLY 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius. Sprinkle your pizza peel or parchment paper with a little semolina and all-purpose flour. Roll out the dough into a 10 to 12-inch circle. Spread a thin layer of your tomato sauce. Add the mozzarella cubes evenly. Sprinkle the Parmigiano-Reggiano and top with fresh basil leaves. Drizzle a little olive oil over the top for a golden finish. Carefully slide your pizza onto the hot stone or baking sheet. Bake for 7 to 9 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbling with just a little char. Once out of the oven, top with more basil and Parmigiano if you like. Let it rest for a minute, then slice it up and serve hot. There you have it. Authentic homemade margherita pizza from scratch. Crisp edges, chewy crust, melty cheese, and pure tomato flavor. Try it once, and you'll never go back to takeout. If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite pizza topping, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious creations every week. Thanks for watching PlatterPulse. See you in the next recipe.